The mission of SSM, and that's for all of our hospitals, is through our exceptional healthcare services, we reveal the healing presence of God. And we're thrilled now that SLU is in the family because that's a mission that I think really resonates with our employees here at St. Louis University Hospital. It is through the way we deliver care to people in a compassionate and thoughtful way. And I think there's nobody who better embodies that than the long-term employees that we're honoring tonight, because those are the folks who day in and day out give their time, give their energy, and give their hearts to provide that level of care to people and live that mission here at St. Louis Hospital every day.
I started at SLU Hospital in 1990 as a physical therapist. I was so excited to be working here at an institution that's such a great reputation in the community. It is also an academic medical center, so I knew I was going to be challenged in good ways to take care of some of the sickest patients in the region. What I really love about my job every day is the people that I work with who really take care of patients that have devastating things that happen to them. And so the amount of compassion and the clinical expertise that I see here every day, I think is probably my favorite part of my job, is just seeing that interaction between our clinicians and our patients and really the patients that we serve. And that's what makes SLU Hospital such a special place, are the people. The commitment that they have to, to making this their career and to taking care of people who really need our care the most. I just think that says a lot about the people that work here.
My name is Ronald Dulo. I'm an OR tech. I've been here for 40 years. What I love about my job is the challenge. It's a challenge to come in and not know what's going to happen that day, or what's going to come through the ER, or what's going to come through the OR. Typical days for me is come in and see what's the challenge for that day. Because like I say, every day is different. Emergencies, numerous emergencies. And I just love that challenge, seeing my teammates and team workers work to do their very best to save a person's life, save a person's leg or arm.
My name is Nancy Durkis, and I've been a nurse at St. Louis U for 43 years. My brother and I was going out to look for a job. I had just graduated, and I stopped. They hired me that day. I've been here ever since. I've been through, I think, 3 renovations, and the people have changed. I've met a lot of people along the way, a lot of staff people. They've become my friends. My favorite part of my job is the people, whether they be staff members or patients. I've met a lot of people, and they've become friends, a lot of friends. I think what makes St. Louis University Hospital special is the type of patients we care for. There's a lot of teaching involved, and I feel like I'm a big part of that.
My name's Katie Miller. I've been a care partner here at SLU for 5 years. I started here when I was 18, right out of high school. I wanted to be a nurse, and I wanted to get the best experience possible in the trauma hospital. I'm currently studying to be a nurse, and by working here for the past 5 years, I feel like I have gotten a lot more experience and a lot more hands-on training than I would just being in a classroom. What I love about working here is the fact that I have amazing coworkers that can be a great help getting through the day. We're great team players, and we have such a diverse amount of patients. We never see the same thing twice, so it's always interesting when you come in. I think the future for me here is I would hopefully become a nurse here, possibly here on the trauma floor. And with SSM purchasing SLU, I feel that we're just going to be the highest technology and be able to provide the best for our patients.
The future for this hospital is really kind of an amazing journey that we've just begun. Because as everybody knows, we've announced a big commitment to an investment on the Grand Avenue campus.
So today I am announcing that SSM Health will be building a brand new hospital.
So our future really is continuing to live the mission of our sisters and of the healthcare providers who have been here as we move into design and then eventually living in new facilities that will really help us support that mission in an even better way.